Welcome to our video where we tackle a common problem encountered by Bash scripters. The issue at hand revolves around the inability to use indirect variable references in a dictionary. While this functionality works seamlessly for general variables, it poses a challenge when attempting to access values within a dictionary using only the dictionary name and key. If you've ever found yourself scratching your head over this specific problem, fret not, as we have a solution ready for you. In the solution provided, we introduced a function called get_val that leverages the nameref feature available in Bash 4.3 and above. This function allows for the indirect referencing of variables, enabling us to retrieve values from dictionaries effortlessly. By utilizing the local and syntax within the function, we can access the desired value by simply passing the dictionary name and key as arguments to the function. This elegant solution streamlines the process of extracting values from dictionaries, eliminating the roadblock posed by indirect variable references. Expanding on the solution, the get_val function can be easily invoked with the dictionary name and key as parameters. Upon execution, the function retrieves the corresponding value from the specified dictionary, providing a seamless approach to dictionary value extraction. Whether you're working with multiple dictionaries or specific keys, this function offers a flexible and efficient means of fetching values without the hassle of manual lookup. In summary, overcoming the challenge of indirect variable references in dictionaries is made simple with the get_val function. By harnessing the power of nameref, Bash scripters can effortlessly retrieve values from dictionaries based on the provided key. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to streamlined dictionary operations in your scripts. Remember, coding should be a smooth ride with occasional pit stops for problem-solving banter. Subscribe, like, and comment below. Your feedback keeps our scripts running smoothly.